wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good morning. How are you today? I hope everything is fine today. Okay, before we start it, let's introduce myself. My name is Intania Salsabila Ningrum. I am nursing student from the Diploma Nursing Program in Aisyah Bandung University. In this video, I would like to share about strategies for structure section in TOEFL. Next, the topic to be explained about skill for structure question in TOEFL. But from now, I will only describe skill 9 adjective clause connector into skill 10 adjective clause connector or subject. Okay guys, as you can see in your screen now, about skill 9 adjective clause connector. In skill 9, an adjective clause that describes a noun. Because the clause is an adjective, it is positioned directly after the noun that it describes. In the first example, there are two clauses. This in here is a subject of the verb is, and I in here is the subject of the verb want. And then that is the adjective clause connector that joins these two clauses, and the adjective clause that I want to buy describe the noun house. In second example, there are also two clauses. House in here is the subject of the verb is, and I in here is the subject of the verb want. In this sentence also, that is the adjective clause connector that join these two clauses, and the adjective clause that I want to buy describe the noun house. Okay guys, we are going to the next slide. Adjective clause connector, only 3 words: whom, which, and that. Whom for people, which for things, and that for people or things. And then sentence structure in skill 9 adjective clause connector is subject, adverb, add adjective clause connector, add subject, adverb. I as a subject, like as a verb, the dress as a object, that as a connector, you as a subject, and are wearing as a verb. Basically, every sentence must be separated by a connector. Need to remember, in the first or second sentence must be complete. There is a subject and verb. Okay guys, until here do you understand? Okay, let's now move on to exercise of skill 9. The job blah 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 started yesterday was rather difficult. A when, B was, C after, D that he. You should notice quickly that there are two clauses. Job is the subject of the verb was, and the verb started needs a subject. Because there are two clauses, we need connector. So the sentence need connector and subjects. Answer A and C have connector, but there are no subject, so this answer incorrect. Answer B was that not a connector and there are no subject, so this answer B incorrect. The best answer is D, because that is the connector joins two clauses and he is the subject of the verb started. Okay, let me show you skill 10, adjective clause connectors or subject. In skill 10, we will see that in some cases an adjective clause connector is not just a connectors. An adjective clause connectors can also be the subject of the clauses at the same time. Here we can see sentence structure in skill 10. Before that, adjective clause connector or subject only 3 words: who, which, and that. Who for people, which for things, and that for people or things. This chart slide show is sentence structure in skill 10. Adjective clause connectors or subject is subject, adverb, add adjective clause connector or subject, and adverb. I is a subject, bought is a verb, the dress is a object, that is a connector and was is a verb. Why is there not subject? Okay guys, need to remember, you can notice that in these sentences, the word that serves two functions at the same time. It is the subject of the verb was, and it is the connector that join two clauses. So, the adjective clause that was on sale describes the noun dress. Okay, let's now move on to exercise skill 10. Blah 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 just dropped off a package for you is my sister. A. The woman, B. The woman who, C. Because the woman, and D. With the woman. You should notice immediately that the sentence has two verbs, is dropped and is, and each of them needs a subject and connector. The only answer that has subject and connector is answer B. So, the best answer B, because the woman is the subject of the verb is, and who is also the connector that joins two clauses. Okay, this is the last of the slide. Hopefully it will be useful. Now, I would like to close this video. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention and sorry any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.